In today's video, I will show you how you can make money on complete autopilot without investing a dime, without having to show your face on camera, and with no social media following required at all. Stay tuned to find out how. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so the very first site we will be using today to get paid, guys, is called Fiverr.com. Now, I know what most of you will be thinking, and no, we will not be working as freelancers this time, so I'm not going to tell you to create gigs or whatever, nothing like that. We will instead be using Fiverr in a completely different way. Now, for those oblivious who have perhaps never heard about Fiverr, this is basically a freelancing website and one of the biggest ones today as well. This is a perfect platform for freelancers and customers alike, albeit it is very competitive, so starting out as a freelancer on Fiverr is very hard. And this is exactly why I said we won't be working as freelancers on here. Now, what you need to do on Fiverr is scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and then you want to click on Affiliates right over here. So yes, we will be promoting Fiverr as an affiliate, and I have several traffic sources to show you in this video that will allow you to reach people that will want to try out Fiverr and thus earn you money when they do. Now, this page is where you'll want to sign up as an affiliate. To do so, just click on Start Earning Now right here, and then on the next page, enter in all of your information to create your account. I won't go through this entire process since it's all simple stuff and I'm sure you'll be able to manage. Now, with that done, I want to go over Fiverr's affiliate system with you guys, since it isn't like other affiliate programs with other websites. You see, generally speaking, when you're promoting some websites as an affiliate, you have a fixed commission system where you receive a certain percentage of the money a website made from your referrals. But the thing with Fiverr is that they actually give you a choice. You have two options. You can either get paid through the CPA system or hybrid system. The CPA system works like this. When you refer someone to Fiverr, you will get paid between $15 and $150, depending on the type of service they purchase. And it's a one-time payment. So you refer someone, you get paid, and that's it. The hybrid system, meanwhile, allows you to earn $10 no matter what service a customer purchases, and you will earn 10% of the revenue Fiverr gained from the customer you referred. So the hybrid system is more of a passive income way to earn money in recurring commissions, instead of a one-time payment. Now, which one of these you will pick depends on what customers you can refer. If someone you referred to here will buy services that pay you as an affiliate more money, then the Fiverr CPA system is better to use. If, however, someone you referred to here will buy services that will earn you far less, then the hybrid system is more effective, since it's not just a one-time payment, but you also get paid in recurring commissions for life. Which services pay exactly how much, you can see below. If someone buys the Fiverr Pro services, you get paid $150. If someone buys from any one of these niches, you will earn $50. If someone buys from any one of these, you will earn $40, and so on. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see that most categories will pay you just $15. Now, in this tutorial, guys, I will actually show you what particular niche you will want to focus on if you're going with the Fiverr CPA system, and also what niche you want to focus on if you are going with a hybrid system, and then you can pick between the two of them. If you are going for the CPA system, as I said, you want to look for niches that pay a bit more, and one of those I have found that can make you a lot of money is the web design niche, because I have a way for you to easily find people who will pay website designers on Fiverr and thus earn you $40 every single time they make a purchase. Now, to get traffic, we will actually be using a freelancing platform, and that platform is none other than peopleperhour.com. This is obviously Fiverr's competitor, so it may be confusing as to how it can get us traffic, but keep watching, it will all make sense soon enough. Basically speaking, the reason you want to use people per hour as a traffic source is because of the pricing differences between Fiverr and people per hour. If you click on search here and then on search projects, and you search for web design, you will see that there are people willing to pay not just hundreds, but literally thousands of dollars for a web designer. This person here is offering $5,000. This person here is offering close to $5,000 once again. The offer here is $2,000. I think you can already see my point. People on here are willing to give away thousands of dollars for web designers. But check out what happens when I come on Fiverr and search for web designers. Although there are some people charging like $100 or $200, you can also find people willing to give far less money. The basic package for this particular gig is just $10, which is insane. Just think about it, guys. What will someone do who is offering $5,000 on people per hour when you tell them that someone on Fiverr is asking for as little as $10 and at most a few $100? They will obviously want to switch over to Fiverr. But here's the trick. People per hour is Fiverr's competitor, so you cannot just share your Fiverr affiliate link on here or you will get banned, as simple as that. You instead want to contact some of these people and tell them that you have a business proposal for them regarding web design and that you'd like to contact them via email, or perhaps you can give them your own email and tell them to reach out to you if they are interested. In any case, your goal is to get them off people per hour, and once you do, only then will you share your Fiverr affiliate link with them and tell them just how much cheaper it would be for them if they paid someone on Fiverr. And chances are they're willing to give Fiverr a try, and each time you refer some of these people on Fiverr and they purchase a service, you will earn $40. So you can see why this has enormous potential. 10 people is $400. 100 people is $4,000, and so on. And the best part is, you can't run out of potential customers. There are over 1,000 results, as you can see right here. Now, with that said, I would recommend the second method, guys, because even though the first one does pay big time, it's a one-time payment, and in order for you to keep making money, albeit it's a lot of money, you will need to keep looking for new customers all the time. Meanwhile, with the hybrid system, if you refer 50 people that keep using Fiverr for a long time, you will be constantly making money from them without doing anything once you've referred them. Now, with the hybrid system, it's not a bad idea to actually try and refer people in the web design niche as well. But another one that is more worthwhile to promote is the animated explainer video niche. Now, the reason you wouldn't want to promote this with the CPA system is because it only pays $15 per person referred. Meanwhile, the hybrid system will earn you $10 plus 10% revenue in recurring commissions. Now, the traffic source in this case will be Upwork.com. Using people per hour as a traffic source is a great idea too, but I did find way more people wanting animated explainer videos on Upwork, hence why it's a better option. What you need to do on Upwork first is click on this little arrow right here, and then select Jobs. And only now do you want to type in animated explainer videos. And just check this out. This person here wants an animated video that is 20 seconds long and is willing to pay $100. Meanwhile, this person on Fiverr I found is asking just $5 for a 30-second long animated video, which is 20 times less money. Now, what you will do is similar to people per hour. You want to get this person off of Upwork since Fiverr and Upwork are competitors. And once you do, only then will you give them your Fiverr affiliate link and tell them just how much of a better deal they can get on Fiverr. And it's almost guaranteed that they will check Fiverr out. And if they do pay someone, you will earn $10 plus money in recurring commissions if they pay someone else. As you've seen, guys, this has huge potential, and it's thanks to the price disparity between Fiverr and its competitors that this is possible. And you can earn a lot of money without needing any skills whatsoever. Anyways, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you are enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.